Walter. What are you doing? You're crazy. Are you doing a good job of my hair? Yeah, you are. Oh, here comes a kazoo. Thank you for the hairdo, buddy. That's really nice.